sing out your frustration. Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Shell's Glam Home. Well, today I'm excited to share another DIY video for you. Today I'm doing 3 floral DIY projects. I hope you enjoy. As I'm all about repurposing, I took these 2 gift boxes. One was from a candle and the other was just a dollar store gift box that I already had. Now, you know your girl Shell loves to use these fake foam flowers from eBay. So my plan here is to hot glue these beautiful pink ones all over this box. I continue to add the foam flowers all over the box. Now what I did here is just turn the box on its side and making sure that I grouped them all together to give a full effect. The key here, guys, is to make sure that you group all the flowers nice and close together. This is going to create such a beautiful statement once the box is complete.
But I told you so.
Once I was finished with the first box, I then moved on to the second smaller box and did the same thing.
My kingdom on lockdown. You never give me any chance. Watch me on my way out.
My aim here was to make little floral gift boxes, and I absolutely love how they're already coming. To finish off my project, I took my favourite black and white striped ribbon from Spotlight. And what I'm going to do here, guys, is just cut it to size and hot glue strips into the cross method. Once it was glued in place, I then overlapped another piece of ribbon and we're just going to twist it in the middle. Now I did 3 pieces like this and took some floral wire and tied it in the centre. Now I also did this to some black ribbon from my local dollar store, and I took a long piece and I just overlapped one piece at a time until it was complete, and then took that floral wire and attached it to the black and white striped ribbon. I then hot glued it to the top and added another flower to cover up the floral wire. I then took some black dollar store ribbon and did the exact same thing to the smaller box, and I'm so happy, guys, with how they came.
Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. strangers.
My next DIY, guys, starts with this cute little colander that I picked up from TK Maxx recently. I love how it was the colour turquoise. I then took some dollar store floral foam and I cut it to size so it would fit inside the colander. I placed it inside, and with the leftover remaining piece, I added it to the top. I then took my Kmart Australia beautiful pink and cream roses and I added it into the floral foam.
But I told you so.
I then took my favourite black and white striped ribbon from Spotlight and I created shoelace bows to each side of the colander.
My kingdom on lockdown. You never give me any.
This was such a fun and simple DIY to create, but I absolutely love how it came.
Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so. Won't you sing out your frustration? Just say a word. Keep on staring at the pavement. God knows who hurt. Ooh, your mind is a ghost town, echoing inside your walls. 5 feet underground now. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one who said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
And my final DIY, guys, starts with this little dollar store bowl that I picked up recently. I had a wonderful idea in mind for it, so I started by adding my favourite pink marshmallows inside. I then took this dollar store round gift box. Now it is a little bit larger than the glass bowl, but what I was going to do here, guys, is take some white fake foam flowers once again, and I'm going to hot glue the entire box.
Scream out loud. I will go.
So off camera I did that, and then I hot glued it to the top of the glass bowl.
Ooh, your mind is a ghost town.
I then took a small Christmas bauble, and what I did here is I just removed the hanger from the top. Now what I'm going to do here is I want to give the illusion of a cherry. So this will be like a little cupcake with a cherry on top. So I took some floral wire and I hot glued it into the middle of the bauble.
But I told you so. Nothing's gonna save us from our doubts. Nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. I hope I've inspired you that over the holiday season, you'll make time to do some wonderful, simple DIY projects. I absolutely love how these little flower gift boxes came, and I think I could have them out all year round, which is what I absolutely love to do. I'll leave a link down below, guys, to the flowers on eBay so you can purchase them yourself. They are a crafter's dream, guys, and they're completely inexpensive.
won't you sing?
I'll also leave a link, guys, to the DIY floral angel wings that I recently did. I'll leave a link to that video down below if you'd like to see how I made that also.
Ooh, your mind is a ghost town.
So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Shells Glam Home.
From our doubts, nothing's gonna make us spell it out. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. And even if the sky was falling down, you never noticed anyone around. I don't wanna be the one that said, oh, I told you so. But I told you so.
So until next time, my friends, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.
Keep on acting out like strangers. Scream out loud. I will go if nothing changes. So change your heart.